beautiful. Do you see that? Oh,
I knew you would.
But what is it?
Oh.
Wow, it's really dusty in here. Oh, cops. Gotta clear this out. What is that? Let's see. Shh, look over there. What's up there? It's just webs. Just webs, right? Oh my. That's a lot of dust. Well, here goes. Shh. Be careful. Understood. I will be quiet. I will be quiet. I might have accidentally broken it. No. Just as I suspected. Don't worry, we'll fix it together. Right.
Oh, I see. What do we do now?
We need to find something else. I think that's enough for today. Oops.
You okay, Mimi?
Yes, I'm all right. Just a little stumble. Huh? What's that? I can't quite see what's in there.
Lean in, Mimi.
Is that a kitten?
I think it is, Lunar.
I think I found it. I think I found it. Mimi gestures. What lies beneath these dusty floors, Lunar? There's more to this shed than meets the eye, Mimi. Let's see. I feel a sneeze coming. Hold it, Mimi. Achoo! So dusty. Let me just clear this air. Cough. Choo. Sorry about that. Wow. Oh, wow. Remarkable. Simply remarkable. Oh my goodness. I think I found it. Oh, really? Where? Right here? Wow, I didn't see that.
Look at that!
Amazing. I knew it was there.
Incredible detail. So beautiful.
Now I can see it. Oh. Yes. The crescent moon. It's the same shape.
Oh, the moon!
I found it. Oh, it's a little paw. You have it? Please tell me you have it. Patience, little Mimi. Prepare to be amazed. Wow, it's glowing. I wish it would open. I could give it a try. Maybe I can get it open. After you, Mimi. Thank you, Lunar. Got it. Okay, just need to get this. Almost there. Just a little more. I told you not to play in the dirt, Lunar. Look at this mess. Oh, sorry, Mimi.
Come, we must explore what is held within.
We need to plant the seeds today. Absolutely, it's perfect weather. Okay, here goes. 1, 2, and lift. One, 2, 3. U-P. Keep lifting. It's so heavy. Push up. Almost there. Oops. Oh my. Sorry about that. Glad I caught myself. Be careful. It's coming this way. Watch out. No, stay. Hold. Please just hold. Got it. Oh, thank goodness. That was close. Finally, safe. Look what's up there. It's exactly what we need. Keep pushing. It's so heavy. Watch out. It's gonna hit. Oops. Oh no. Oh no! Watch out! Look up! Look quick! Mimi! Look out! The painting's moving!
What? Oh my!
It's coming to life! What is that?
No, stop! Please don't fall! Help me! Ah! Got it! No! Oh no! No, stop! Please stop! Ah! Oh no! It shattered! Huh. What was that? Almost there. Careful. Just a little further. Okay, let it down. Got it! Need a paw? Oh, yes, please. This is heavier than it looks. Just a little lift. Oh my! Look what I found! It's an opening! Look at this! It's beautiful!
Where could it have come from?
Hiba! Oh, Hinoko stays in there. Don't say. And in there. I saw a light in the woods. It wasn't the moon. Look at this incredible story.
Oh, I'm so glad you shared it with me.
Me too.
This is wonderful.
I think I found it. Ah,
I found it! The hidden map.
oh my, that! Look at that! A hidden treasure map. Let's see what we've got here. Aha! Got it!
Maybe we should start with the living room here.
No! The bedroom first, it's bigger. Ah! I found it! Right here! Come on!
This is it. Yes! We found it!
The path leads right here. This is the secret spot. Okay, I understand. Let's go.
Attic. Oh, I see it now.
Look what I found, Mimi. Isn't it amazing? It is, Lunar. Come, let's explore it together.
I think I found something up there.
All right, just to be sure, this goes here and that path. Yes! Okay, got it. Time to go.
I must keep this safe. The airship is nearing. I'm ready. Let's go.
Time to use this map.
The key to solving this mystery is in the lock. Try turning it now. Just like this.
The key.
It's in the attic. I understand. I'm ready.
Come on, Mimi. It's time to go.
Okay, Lunar, I'm right behind you.